Hello everybody. I was very excited this morning when I went to the Kotobukiya website and I saw they had 3 new items for the SouSai Shojo Teien series. In case you don't know, so this series is actually like a Megami device, but it's for high school girls. So this is a new series by Kotobukiya. They just announced 3 new models. The new one is called Koyomi Takanashi. Okay. This is Koyomi Takanashi. This is the special edition, and this is another furniture set with a chair and a desk. The previous one was a coffee table and 2 chairs. So this will be released estimated April 2021. Let's take a look. This is the normal edition. 110 scale, total height 15.3 cm, 5,800 yen. Take a look at the pictures. Typical high school uniform. Glasses. It comes with a bag. It doesn't come with these books, but it looks nice. Oh, they didn't mention anything, so I guess it comes with a phone. Oh, that's her without the glasses. Back view. Books. Shy face. Oh, different hairstyle. 2 ponytails. Well, these are the accessories that come with. Closed glasses and 3 pairs of open glasses. Handphone and a bag, school bag. 1 closed book, 1 open book, 1 notepad, and 1 open notepad. 3 different faces. Sad face, happy face, and stern face. These 2 looks the same. Oh, the hairstyles. Ponytail, side fringe. I have no idea what this hairstyle is called. But it's 3 different hairstyles. Hands, 5 different pairs of hands. This is the previous model. This will be released in January. I'm waiting for this. Okay, so that's the normal version. Right, let's take a look at the table and chair. It's a perfect complement to her. Let's take a look. She's sitting at the table. This is a typical study table, I guess. Oh, it even comes out. The drawer is able to... You're able to pull out the drawer. Oh, it comes with an extra set of books. I'm thinking, because the color looks different from the other picture. Okay. Let's take a look at the limited edition. This is basically the same model with different hair, different uniform. Hairstyles are the same. It's just a different shade, different color. The back looks exactly the same. Yes, the back looks exactly the same. The glasses, they should have changed the glasses also. The faces are the same. Oh, she's sleepy. Okay. Oh, it's on repeat. Okay. Alright, so yes, this is the 3 new SouSai Shojo Teien. Okay, it's a mouthful for me. Okay, in case you don't know, this is the actual website. Let's take a refresh, show you how it loads. I like the design of this page. So if you take a look at the characters, especially they already planned several characters. Yuki Madoka. This is the first one. This was the special edition. Oh, I guess not updated. This is the one that's coming out. So this I remember is in design. Rika. And this looks like a new one. I haven't seen this before. Oh, this is just a interchange parts. This is using Koyomi's head on the first model's body. They just switched heads. Okay. Anyway, for anybody interested in Megami Device and FA Girls and wants a different setting, not fighting battle armaments and mecha stuff, this is actually more for a high school concept from Kotobukiya, in case you're interested. Anyway, I placed my pre-orders for the first these three models, so I'll be waiting for them to come. Yeah, okay. Anyway, just wanted to share this news with you. Thanks for watching. Bye.